In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on Squarespace. If you're setting up your Squarespace store and want to start accepting payments, this process is actually very straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through where to find the payment settings and how to connect a payment provider so your customers can check out successfully. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're inside the main admin area, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps your site-wide configuration options, including store and checkout tools, so it's the right place to start whenever you need to update how your business operates behind the scenes. After that, in the settings area, click on Selling. This section is specifically for your commerce-related setup. If you're offering products, services, or anything else that requires checkout, the Selling menu is where you'll manage the parts of your store that affect purchases and transactions. Next, click on Payments. This will open the area where Squarespace lets you choose how you want to accept money from customers. It's an important section because your payment method needs to be connected properly before your store can process live orders. Once you're on the Payments page, select the payment option you want to use. Squarespace commonly gives you options like Stripe or PayPal. The best choice depends on how you want to receive payments and what works best for your business. For example, some site owners prefer Stripe for direct card payments, while others like offering PayPal as an additional familiar option for customers. In many cases, providing more than one option can help make checkout easier for buyers. After choosing your preferred payment option, go ahead and connect your account. Squarespace will guide you through the connection process, and you'll usually be asked to sign into your payment provider account and authorize the connection. Make sure the account you connect is the correct one for your business, since this is where your customer payments will be sent. Once the account is connected, it's a good idea to review the payment settings and confirm everything looks correct before customers start placing orders. That way, you can be more confident your checkout is ready to go. And that's it. You've now added a payment method on Squarespace and taken an essential step toward making your site ready for sales.